በዛሬው ቪዲዮ የ2016 ዓመተ ምህረት ጂኦግራፊ ኤንትራንስ ኤግዛም ከሙሉ ማብራሪያው ጋር አዘጋጅተንላችኋል። ማብራሪያዎቹ መልሱ ለምን ኤ ሆነ፣ ሌሎቹ ቾይዞችስ ለምን ተሳሳቱ የሚለውን ጭምር በማራኪና ግልጽ ኤክስፕላኔሽን እናቀርብላችኋለን። ቆም እያደረጋችሁ ያዘጋጀንላችሁን ኤክስፕላኔሽን በደንብ ማንበብ አለባችሁ። አሁን ጥያቄዎቹን እየሰራን ምን ያህል ትሪኪ እንደሆነ እየመለስን እናልፋለን። ከእናንተ የሚጠበቀው ቪዲዮውን ቆም እያደረጋችሁ ኤክስፕላኔሽኑን ማንበብና ጥናታችሁን ማቀላጠፍ ብቻ ነው። እስከ ቪዲዮ ፍጻሜ ድረስ አብራችሁን ቆዩ። ቀለሜ አካዳሚ።
ከዩቲዩብ ቻናላችን ባሻገር በቴሌግራም የሁሉንም ዲፓርትመንት ኤግዚት ኤግዛም እና ኢንትራንስ ጥያቄዎችን ከማብራሪያ ጋር እንዲሁም ትምህርት ነክ ጉዳዮችን በየጊዜው ያገኙበታልና ከስር በምትመለከቱት ሊንክ እየገባችሁ ቤተሰብ ይሁኑ። ዛሬም በጥረት ነገን በስኬት። ቀለሜ አካዳሚ። ቀለሜ አካዳሚ ተማሪዎችን በአጭር ጊዜ ለውጤት ብቁ ለማድረግ እየሰራ ይገኛል። ከዚህ ከዩቲዩብ ቻናሉን ባለፈ ዲስክሪፕሽን ላይ ወይም ከታች ባለው ሊንክ እየገባችሁ ቤተሰብ ይሁኑ። ዛሬም በጥረት ነገን በስኬት። ቀለሜ አካዳሚ። የተለያዩ ዓመቶች ኤግዚት ኤግዛም፣ ኢንትራንስ እና ማትሪክ ጥያቄዎች እንዲሁም ትምህርት ነክ መረጃዎችን በየጊዜው ለማግኘት ከታች የምትመለከቱትን ሊንክ በመከተል አሊያም ዲስክሪፕሽን ላይ ባለው ሊንክ ወደዚህ ምርጥ ቻናል አሁኑኑ ይቀላቀሉ። ቴሌግራም ቻናላችን ሊንክ ከስር የምትመለከቱት @ቀለሜ አካዳሚ ያገኙታል። ዛሬም በጥረት ነገን በስኬት። ቀለሜ አካዳሚ።
Which of the following sketch maps is used to find one's way around a new place? A. Route sketch map. B. Location sketch map. C. Land sketch map. D. Position sketch map. The correct answer is A. Route sketch map. This question is less tricky. Question number 62. Topographic maps are A. Detailed maps. B. Small scale maps. C. Thematic maps. D. Specific purpose maps. The correct answer is A. Detailed maps. This question is less tricky question. Question number 63. Which of the following maps emphasize the distribution of a single geographic element? A. Topographic maps. B. Thematic maps. C. Sensory maps. D. Talksheets. The correct answer is B. Thematic maps. This is less tricky question. Question number 64. Which of the following distribution maps uses the lines of equal value? A. Isoplatic maps. B. Dot maps. C. Choroplatic maps. D. Chorochromatic maps. The correct answer is A. Isoplatic maps. This is less tricky question. Question number 65. Which one of the following is included under southeastern highlands of the Horn? A. Plateau of Tigray. B. Plateau of Shawa. C. Plateau of Sidama. D. Plateau of Eritrea. The right answer is C. Plateau of Sidama. Less tricky question. 66. One of the following plateaus that connect the western and eastern massif of the north central massif of Ethiopia. A. the plateau of Shawa, B. the plateau of Tigray, C. the Yeju Wadla Delanta, D. the Lasta Massive. The correct answer is the Yeju Wadla Delanta. This question is medium tricky. Question number 67. Which one of the following is the wettest lowland in Ethiopia? A. ተከዜ አንገረብ lowlands, B. Omo Gibel lowlands, C. Baro Akobo lowlands, D. Setit Baraka lowlands. The correct answer is Baro Akobo lowlands. This question is medium tricky. Question number 68. The southwest highland of Ethiopia consists of the part of A. Gojam, Ilubabor, Kafa, Walaga, B. Walaga, Ilubabor, Kafa, Gamo Gofa, C. Shawa, Kafa, Ilubabor and Walaga, D. Sidama, Kafa, Ilubabor and Shawa. The correct answer is A. Gojam, Ilubabor, Kafa and Walaga. This question is medium tricky. Question number 69. The oldest rock of the Precambrian origin in Ethiopia are known as A. Igneous rocks, B. Sedimentary rocks, C. Crystalline basement complex, D. Metamorphic rocks. The correct answer is C. Crystalline basement complex. This question is less tricky.
ለ12ኛ ክፍል ኢንትራንስ ዝግጅት ከ9 ለሶሻል ተማሪ፣ ከ9 እስከ 12 ናቹራል ተማሪ፣ ከኬጂ እስከ 8ኛ ክፍል ወይስ ለኮሌጅ እና ፕራይቬት እንዲሁም የድገት እና የማታ ተማሪ ሆነው ትምህርቱ ከስራ ጋር አልሄድ ብሎት አልገባ ብሎታል? አስጠኝስ ይፈልጋሉ? እኛ ቀለሞች በዚህ በዩቲዩቡ ድንቅ የሆኑ ስራዎችን ወደ እናንተ እያደረሱ ያሉና በየዘርፋቸው ምርጥ ብቃት ያላቸው አስጠኞችን ያሉበት ድረስ እንልካለን። አሁኑኑ በ0991 18 23 53 ቀለሜ ብለው ይደውሉ፣ አሊያም በቴሌግራም በውስጥ መስመር @ቀለሜ ሰፖርት ያናግሩን። ባሉበት እንመጣለን። ዛሬም በጥረት ነገን በስኬት። ቀለሜ አካዳሚ ለኤግዚት ኤግዛም የሚያዘጋጇችሁን ፋይሎች፣ ፈተናዎችና አዳዲስ መረጃዎች ለማግኘት የቴሌግራም ቻናላችንን እዚህ ከታች የምትመለከቱት ሊንክ @ቀለሜ አካዳሚ አሁኑ ይቀላቀሉ።
Question number 70. The Hintalo limestone of Ethiopia was deposited during the period A. Jurassic, B. Quaternary, C. Triassic, D. Tertiary. The correct answer is A. Jurassic. This question is medium tricky. Question number 71. Which one is an extensively built shallow marshy area? A. Lake Turkana, B. Lake Zawai, C. Chao Bahar, D. Lake Chamo. The correct answer is C. Chao Bahar. This is medium tricky type. Question number 72. The southern extreme point of Ethiopia is called A. Akobo, B. Moyale, C. Ogaden, D. Badime. The correct answer is B. Moyale. This is less tricky question. Question number 73. The Mesozoic era is known by the occurrence of A. Invertebrates, B. Mammals, C. Reptiles, D. Human species. The correct answer is C. Reptiles. This is less tricky question. Question number 74. Which one of the following is the indicator of absolute location of Ethiopia and its north-south extent? A. 33 degree east to 48 degree east. B. 3 degree to 15 degree north. C. 3 degree to 48 degree north. D. 15 degree to 33 degree north. The correct answer is B. 3 to 15 degree north. This is less tricky question. Question number 75. Which one of the following African countries does not share the borderlines of Ethiopia? A. South Sudan. B. Kenya. C. Egypt. D. Djibouti. The correct answer is C. Egypt. This question is less tricky. Question number 76. Which one of the following is the largest soil group in Africa? A. Pedicels. B. Hydromorphic. C. Azonal. D. Pedalfers. The correct answer is D. Pedalfers. This is medium tricky type question. Question number 77. Constructing stair-like structures along hillside refers to A. Check dams. B. Mulching. C. Terracing. D. Counterploying. The correct answer is C. Terracing. This is less tricky question. Question number 78. The most productive soils of Africa is A. Nicosols. B. Lavisols. C. Ferrazols. D. Vertisols. The correct answer is D. Vertisols. This is medium tricky question. Question number 79. Which of the following is not the impact of soil problem in Africa? A. Reduction of agricultural rangelands. B. Downstream pollution and sedimentation. C. The increasing of agricultural productivity. D. The migration of population from their lands. The right answer is C. The increasing of agricultural productivity. This is less tricky question. 80. Which soil conservation measure do you suggest for farmers having many plots of agricultural land? A. Fallowing. B. Mulching. C. Crop rotation. D. Strip cultivation. The correct answer is D. Strip cultivation. This is medium tricky question. አብራችሁ ስለቆያችሁ እጅግ አድርጌ አመሰግናለሁ። ውድ ቤተሰቦች ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳይረሳ። ሌላም ሀሳብ፣ አስተያየት፣ ምን ይቀነስ፣ ምን ይሻሻል የምትሉት ነገር ካለ በኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልን። አሜዚንግ ፋክትስ ዊዝ ቲና። አንዳንድ ጊዜ እውነታዎች ከልብ ወለድ የበለጠ ያስደንቃሉ። በሚቀጥለው አስደናቂ ጊዜ እንገናኝ።